Hey there guys, Kim George here from Your Chic Geek. Listen, coming in with yet another update. It looks like the changes just keep on coming with Amazon, and this is another change that I really think is a step in the right direction. And so we're just going to see how things go. So if you guys, well, first off, I want to welcome you to Your Chic Geek. For those of you that are new to the channel, I'd love for you to like, share, subscribe, comment, all of that good stuff. Also, if you are looking and interested in learning how to create epic brands to sell more low content books with, you can head over to check out my course, which is called From Publish to Profit. I do have some freebies as well that you can get a hold of. One is a swipe file in PDF and list of over 200 types of low content books that you can create and sell online. And then another is a free masterclass that you can take as well. Okay, so now let's get into the video. So welcome. Another update coming through on KDP, and as I just stated, the changes just keep on coming. I was actually having this discussion with a couple of good peeps that I know that are in the KDP world, and it seems like this is a thing, and it's a true thing. So if you have not heard, it sounds like that Amazon has put a limit on the number of books that you can publish to KDP per day. So as it stands, and this is a message that I saw from another group saying that, hey guys, just a heads up, Amazon looks like they have put a file submission limit where you can only upload 3 books per day onto the KDP platform. And so what I decided to do was reach out to customer service, and they did confirm that there is a file submission limit. Now, if you're interested in reading more about this, I'm going to put a link below, but here is the actual text that is over on the page on KDP. And as I said, the link is going to be below, but right here you can see that it says file submission limit. It says, to ensure a positive customer experience, we limit the number of books a user can submit for publishing at the same time and within a specific period of time. It says, if you expect to regularly publish a large number of books, please contact us to inquire about an exception. Now, I think this is really great news. And like I said, here's why. There is no way, in my opinion, this is just my opinion, unless you're creating something like a regular notebook, that you can really put out a good quality book by uploading 20 books in one sitting. Again, if you're uploading notebooks, I get it. But if you're trying to create something, even if it's a low content book, excuse me, that is really high quality and that is really good, I just can't see how pumping out so many books at one time is a great thing. So my humble opinion, I know some people may not agree with me on this, but this is just where I stand with this. So here again, this is news that I'm hearing, rumblings, other people that have tried. Again, I did confirm with KDP support on yesterday that yes, they have put a file submission limit in place. So I'd love to know from you guys that are KDPers and that are publishing, or maybe you're new to the world of low content book publishing. What are your thoughts on this? Do you think this is a good thing? Do you think this is a step in the right direction? Just what are your thoughts? And now again, for those of you who may have to publish a larger number of books, as they say here, you can contact KDP support in order to get an exception to do that. And then if you want to contact them, all you need to do is log into your KDP account, go underneath the section that says contact us, and then click on contact us. And from here, you should be taken over to a form or to some sections where you basically can select something. So maybe you can do manage your books, etc. And then maybe you can click something like, it doesn't matter. If you click something like this right here, the best thing that I would recommend to do is to go to live chat. I think their live chat is really good. But if you want to give them a call, you can just click call us, and someone will call you back on the number that is tied to your account. So anyways, I love to know your thoughts on this. What do you think? Again, you can leave a comment below. Let me know your thoughts. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll have another video out for you guys on next week. But I wanted to make sure that I just talk to you guys and let you guys know about this new update in case you have not heard about it. All right, take care out there, and I'll see you guys later. All right, bye.